here with Raymond Lee and Chuck Friedman of Ribbit. Raymond, tell us what Ribbit is.
Sure. Ribbit's an open API on top of a global communications network, which really allows developers of all types to really leverage the communications capabilities that you find in typical telecom and telephony products. So the ability to make phone calls, send messages, to transcribe from voice to text these messages, and really to create new forms of interactivity. Really looking to enable the world of developers to really bring these into their applications.
And it's being used in workplaces by people using Salesforce?
Yeah, so we've actually built a couple of reference applications. One of them, which is currently out in the market now, it's called Salesforce. Ribbit for Salesforce is really this great application that allows sales professionals to integrate their mobile phones into Salesforce.com using the Ribbit technology, which essentially creates a lot of productivity enhancements in the sales professionals' daily life. It really has benefits for the managers of sales professionals in terms of getting a feel for the rhythm of the day. It really serves as an online backup of that mobile professional's identity and their contacts. I think it was actually recently named the Salesforce.com 2008 mobile app of the year.
And so now it's being used in e-commerce as well. Tell us about the Best Buy announcement.
Sure. The Best Buy application was actually one of our developer community built this application called Consumer's Price, which is a mashup of the Ribbit API with the Best Buy Remix API and actually a number of other social media APIs. And really it serves as a way for developers to kind of monetize across some of these APIs in terms of building affiliate stores, but really sort of the differentiation there is bringing in the social elements, the social media elements of the conversations into the shopping experience.
So if I'm on Best Buy, what kind of new things can I do?
So the thing, if you're on Best Buy, you can do is actually you can leave and record voice reviews. You can actually name a price, and if it's accepted, to be SMS'd about that product. You can find out where the product, if it's in stock, and where the closest store is, and actually using Ribbit API, call out to that store. And so all of those are going to create a new sort of experience that we call social mobile commerce experience.
Cool. Chuck, you have a developer community of something like 11,000 developers. Who are these people? How do you manage them, and how do you motivate them?
Great, yeah, so it ranges from individual developers looking to enhance their skill set who are attracted to really innovative technologies like Ribbit and coding voice into their apps. It also includes developer agencies, digital agencies, these big firms that service larger customers. And then there's businesses who have developers in-house who want to incorporate services from Ribbit into their applications. So they go to developer.ribbit.com, that's the hub where you sign up for your developer account, where you download the SDK and get information, documentation. We put out a steady stream of code samples showing the various functionalities. But as a developer, you can go there and share information about the app you're building, or even share the app itself so you can get feedback from other developers. We have a very active forum, which is where developers get most of their support, and we actually have developers who have been with us for a while, very established, sharing and supporting other developers. So it's a great self-service community, very active.
And you have contests?
Oh yes, so the contest, the Killer App Challenge, which was at killerappchallenge.ribbit.com, started back in November and just culminated on March 12th. We got over 100 submissions. One developer is going to walk away with about $30,000, so it's a pretty hefty reward. But they're building things that none of us even sort of imagined. So that's the great thing about a platform, is you put great service and great support behind it, and developers respond with nothing but innovation and creativity.
And Raymond, how are you guys making money?
So the way the Ribbit model works is essentially we license the platform to developers right now, and in which case then they use the services and capabilities. It's really meant to be easy to adopt and really sort of a low cost to start with respect to how you start. Our really goal is to align ourselves with the success of developers, so as they grow, essentially their usage of the platform grows, in which case then Ribbit will benefit in their value creation. We're also looking forward to later this year being able to roll out additional models around affiliate models for developers to provide them additional means of monetizing their applications with Ribbit.
Great. Thanks, guys.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Perfect. Yeah, put that up sometime today. That's good.
Cool. Thanks.